I have to talk to you about a bag that I just got from Lululemon, and it's my favorite out of everything I own, and I will show you what's in my Lululemon Slouchy Sling Bag. So let's get started. A little bit about this bag. I am talking about this one. Like, look how beautiful the color is. The color I chose is Walnut Crunch. They also have black, purple, a mint green, but I chose brown. I really love this color. I will get into what the bag looks like and pockets and what's inside pretty soon. But this retailed for $78 Canadian. Great price, because those Sling Lululemon smaller pouches, they cost between $40 and $50. The fabric is water repellent, so this is what it looks like. You can feel it and hear it. It's 100% of polyester and nylon in this product that you have, so it's not like leather or anything, but trust me, you don't need that. This is perfect. The volume of this bag is 6 liters, which is what you need for a perfect small to medium bag to fit all your essentials on a daily basis. I would go for 6 liter. They have other small bags which are 4 liters, but I would choose this one because I think 4 liter would be too small. It has adjustable shoulder straps. So this shoulder strap, I can wear it as a purse like this, or I can make it smaller and wear it as a purse that comes up to here, or I like to wear it like this, like a sling. So I will show you. This is what it looks like. You can barely see it on my green shirt, but this is perfect over winter jackets, over just sweater. You can choose to wear it this way. It comes up to my hip, but I can also make it much smaller and bring it up to here. So it's up to you how you prefer it. It has 2 zipper exterior pockets, which I love. And I'm talking about this one's right here. And the zipper is great quality, obviously. And look how deep it is. I can fit my whole wrist, like up to my whole hand up to my wrist. And it has one on each side, up here too. And it also has an easy access exterior pocket for any type of essentials, where I like to put my phone in. I'll show you soon, but here is the exterior pocket, and I will show you how deep it is. I can put my hand in here. Again, it goes up to my wrist, and it's this big. It has the main zipper compartment, which it has 2 zippers, which it opens perfectly, so you can fit everything in there. Oh, and here it is inside. And inside I have 2 mesh compartments right there. So 2 mesh compartments, one there, then one right there, and one big zipper compartment, which you can keep your main, more private essentials right here. So that's what we have. You can clean, you can spot clean. So if you get a stain or if it gets sprayed with something, you can just spot clean. This material is so easy to clean. Yeah, so that's pretty much how the bag looks like. Now let's get into what I have in my bag. So I'm gonna start first with this outside compartment right here. So in here, when I shop, which is good because it's close to your body, I like to just put my phone right there. I usually drop it like this while I shop or while I pay, so I don't have to hold my phone in. So that's what I use this pocket for. Then on the sides, 2 pockets here, right? So in this side of a pocket, I do have my keys. I have my car keys and home keys. And I also have my parents' house keys. I always have a copy of their keys. So that's what I keep in one pocket, so that I know that I have my keys and easy to access them and not have them like dropped inside the purse and then not find them anymore. Other side of the pocket, which is right here. And this is where I keep, watch this, so many like cute, like nice products. I have a Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat lip liner. I have a Makeup by Mario lip liner, which is a mini. This is in rich mauve. It's so good. I did add this Giorgio Armani My Way spray perfume. I always have to have a little perfume with me in case I forget. I do have my Dior lip gloss. It's nice and shiny. I have a mini YSL lip balm. It's so good. and so hydrating. I love these minis. I do have a mini Merit perfume. I guess I can take my big one out. I don't really need two, as long as I have one in case I forget to put perfume on. And I have a mini Makeup by Mario lip gloss, or lip, what are they called? Rosewood Glow Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. It's so good. So those are kind of my makeup products that go all in this pocket, and now I know that they're all here and I don't have to like look for them in my purse everywhere. Okay, let's add those back. I really love how, hold on, this is too loud. The zipper quality, the fitting quality, everything is just so easy. The zipper doesn't get caught on something. If you want to get something really quick, you can. It's so easy. And it has the logo right here, very subtle. And now let's get into the big compartment here that has this 2 zippers. Perfect. Okay, so like I said, into the 2 mesh pockets, I'm going to get right into there. I carry my Touchland Power Mist. This is a hydrating hand sanitizer, and I have the Vanilla Blossom scent. This is a lifesaver. I love it so much. Let's use some. Okay, I always have a pen with me, and this is my favorite pen. This is made in France. It's a big pen that it has all those colors, red, green, black, and blue. My favorite pen to have. I always have, of course, a face mask because you just never know when you need one. I have a Kleenex box, and I do have this magnetic power bank. So with my phone, it just goes on here and it automatically charges my phone right there. So I love this one so much. The minute you attach it, just for emergency, because you just never know. And then let's talk about into the zipper compartment. I do have obviously some personal private stuff, and I do carry this one that my daughter got me. It's kind of like a good luck to protect me, so that always stays there. And I have my Lysol disinfectant spray. I like to carry this, especially when I go to the movie theaters. I do spray the buttons and the seats where we put our hands, you know. And I do carry my Moft. This is always with me, and it's always attached to my phone, because this is one of those where I can just hold my phone wherever I go. I can vlog. I can just open it and put my phone this way to sit. I can go like this and rotate my phone and watch a movie wherever I am. So this always comes with me attached to the phone. If not, it's in my purse. I have my Laneige lip balm. I guess this should be in the pocket section, but I use this so often. And this is in the shade Berry. Yeah. And I also have my Coach wallet with, of course, my son's picture from graduating this year. I have my cards, and I always have my money and everything, and I always have one of these AirTags attached into my wallet, so that if I misplace my wallet or my purse disappears, I always have an AirTag and I can find where my wallet is. And yeah, I love it because I can easily hold it when I buy something. It has this little cute gold chain, but I already have a review on this wallet on my channel. And then this is a new product that my parents bought for me for Christmas, and this is by Lululemon. The difference in this one I love because it has this elastic band that goes on your hand like this. So when you travel, or you can put essentials that you don't want to use your purse and take out your purse, you can have money here. What I have in here is my Apple AirPods. So this is where I keep them so that I don't lose them. Or like I said, you can put cards, money. It's good for when you travel to have this handy, so you don't always have to bend down under your seat and take out your AirPods or whatever. But yeah, this always stays with me in here so I don't forget it. And that was, I think, the last thing that I have in my purse. It is so big that you can actually fit a bottle in here. You can put like a big water bottle and carry. The material and the way it's created, it's just so lightweight that no matter how much heavy stuff you put in it, it still feels lightweight around you. You know those Lululemon bags, which I love. I have every color possible, every material. I still love those. But I've noticed that with those, when I put in my wallet, my disinfectant and my cell phone and my lip gloss, it feels very heavy on me. This one, I have all of this extra stuff and it feels so lightweight. So yeah, here is a final look. The color is just so pretty. Okay, so I can put all of my stuff back in and you guys can see how much I can fit. I'll put my Laneige one onto the side here. No, that's the key section. And then I have the makeup section here, or my lip products. Let's put the Kleenex here. Like, look how big the compartment is, right? I like to keep my power bank in there. Then, of course, my Touchland Mist. It's a hand sanitizer, so it's really good. I like to keep my mask in here as well. My Moft can just go in there. I usually attach it to my phone, which goes in here when I shop. I do have my favorite pen, which I like to just attach it here for when I need it. I don't think I'm going to add this one. I'll take this one out since I have my Merit one. Sometimes I add this, not at this moment because I do have gum in the car, so I don't like to carry this. And then, of course, we have my Lululemon for AirPods or whatever I like to add to it when I go shopping. And look how easy. So you can go from one side to the other or not. This is what it looks like. It's really handy. And they're really good quality. I really love the zippers. It's just so pretty. And look at the color. I'll put it in the sun so you guys can see it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Here is a final look. So pretty. I actually, let me put you guys down a little bit more. Like, look at this. I love how this looks. So easy to carry. Everything's really easy, accessible. I'm loving this. Again, I bought this for Christmas as a present for myself. So this is not sponsored or anything. It is just my own money and I love it. And I wanted to share this with you guys. I hope you guys like this video with what's in my Lululemon sling bag. And yeah, thank you for being here with me. And I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.